Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for OneSoci, and I'm excited to show you the software today. OneSoci number 1 launched last year. It was a really popular product, and this version is much improved. It's been completely rebuilt. If you did get access to OneSoci 1, there isn't any specials or discounts, unfortunately, for this particular product. However, if you do get access today to OneSoci 2.0, you'll get all of the features and all of the bonuses that are down below as well. And the price is starting from $37, so it's not too much, but you'll see in just a moment why this is so greatly improved since last year's version. So they put a lot of work into this, and now it includes posts, cover photos, ads, custom tabs, contests, and it does this really quite well. So I'm going to walk you through every step of these and where you might want to use this in your updating over Facebook. This has been created for pages and posts. So this is one of our pages, for example, traveling entrepreneurs, and you'd want to create, a presence on your Facebook page in order to get more people engaged, get more likes, get more fans, and you can also do opt-in posts through this software, which is really quite handy as well. So the first step is go to posting experience if you're wanting to do a post, and you can start updating your Facebook pages immediately. You can schedule in posts, you can post one-offs, and if I go in here, we've got discover posts, design posts, scheduled posts, and opt-in posts. So we'll go ahead and discover some posts today. Now these discover posts, discover content, it's going to search for articles. Now I believe it grabs this from Google. It's going to grab a bunch of different articles, and you can basically select this post if you liked this post, and you can go ahead and it automatically updates it, ready to be updated to Facebook. You can even add a OneClick Optin option on all of your posts, which basically means as soon as someone clicks this, it's going to take them through and ask them if they want to give you their email address. So it's a OneClick Opt-in, much like Connect Leads, I believe was the example. Connect Leads did that. This is like this, but it'll do on your Facebook pages as well. You can create different types of posts, and you can automatically basically go ahead and select what you want it to be. So you might say, have you seen this? And this will post to your particular page that you want it to. If you want to change your page, you can do that really easily. I could change my page like that, or I could even select 2 pages. So I could select more than one page if I wanted to and click post now, or I could go ahead and I could schedule this post in for a later date, even choosing when I wanted it to post. So it makes it really easy to post across on Facebook. Now you can also discover videos. Now discovering videos basically will grab videos from YouTube. It's a faster way than going through and adding stuff from YouTube right away. So we can grab a fitness video, for example. We could go select video, and then it's going to update this. It'll update it with some text as well from the title of YouTube. However, if we wanted to edit the title or the text ourselves, we could go ahead and do that by removing this. We can choose whether we want a one-click opt-in. Hey, check out this video on meal plans. Then we can add in what type of post we want. If we want multiple images, we can add multiple images in, or we can just make it a text post if we wanted to and grab this URL. We could also, again, customize the page that we wanted posting from there. Now let's go back one, and we'll go to the post designer. Now, if you want to create an image post and you want it to be based on a template or look really good or be based on a quote, you can do that through this system right here. This is going to allow you to basically go ahead and edit your image as you want to inside of here. So I could say, for example, make money from your laptop. Top here, and then I could put a URL if I wanted it to have a URL. I could add some new text down here, and I could put my URL down here, and you'd probably want to put your URL somewhere on this image. There we are, and we can then post that to Facebook. Once we're finished, we can go ahead, we can go and save, and then we can click continue, and that's going to allow us to then post this to Facebook as we want. Again, looking like this in our post, we can schedule it if we want. You could say, hey, have you looked at this today? We can then go ahead and choose the Facebook page or the pages that I want it to post to, laptop startup, for example, and then I can go ahead and I can post now if I wanted to. So I'm going to add a link post. It's currently listed as it has to be listed as an image post. So we're going to then post this, and it's going to update to our laptop startup page. Let's check that. Here it is. and here we go. So there, it's posted, been published, and there you go. So if anyone clicks on this, they can load up this image and it will be ready to go. So really easy to do, and I was able to do that within a couple of minutes. Create or edit a already done template. Now I'd probably highly recommend spending a bit more time on this to make it look a bit better. Usually I would post something like this if it looked really quite good, and you'd want to make sure that it looks really quite good as well when you're posting. Now you can post this to as many pages as you want, and when you're ready, click continue, or just click the X here, and then it's going to allow you to leave this page. Now, Optin Posts. These are really quite cool. Again, you can choose to write your own posts, get suggestions for this type of post, or you can even design your post. Now, I'm going to create a post right here that's going to be an opt-in post, a OneClick Optin post. I'm going to add an image. So I could click on this right here, I could load up an image from my desktop, and I'm going to choose an image that suits this for today. So I might go ahead and I might grab, we'll grab a image of some sort. Maybe I'll type in, okay, let's just grab a random image right now. We'll grab this logo from Digital Marketer. I really like Digital Marketer. I could put in that, and I'm going to make this a URL. You have not entered in a URL, so let's enter in a URL. Okay, now this next feature, here's what it does. Basically, when you post any link or URL on Facebook, you're going to get this pop-up that'll be happening. So when you go to this pop-up or you go to this post, it's going to say Lee Pennington or whatever your name is, will receive your public profile information and email address. Now, if you click OK, then it will take that visitor to the content and you generate a lead. So how do we set this up? Well, this is called a OneClick Optin, and it's located right here. You can click on Manage Posts. Now, right now I've done a couple of posts in the past. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one for my personal profile, go back to Dashboard, and we'll start one of these posts. So we go to Posting Experience, Manage Posts, or Create Posts actually. We'll go back to Scheduled Post, Manage Post, Create Post, and then we're going to go and we're going to add in a URL. We'll tick Activate OneClick Optin. We'll add in our URL right here. What it's going to do is it's going to now create a post for us to use. So it's created a image based on one of the images that we've posted, or a URL that we've posted. So we just need to grab, it could be anything we grab actually. What I'll do is I'll grab this article right here. I'm going to add this article in. It'll then customize that post. And I could say, hey, click here to get my guide on making money, or something like that before they go to the content, or to read about making money online, or to read this, to read that. You could do anything, and when they click on this, it'll go to that opt-in that I showed you just before. Then I click Post Now. What it's going to do is it's going to be posted to my Facebook page with that same style of post. So I'll go and post now to my laptop startup page, and let's have a look at what it looks like. It's posted. We'll go back to here, we'll go back to laptop startup, and now I'm going to review this post right here. I go here, I go down, we can see it right, or it hasn't posted yet. There it is right here, it's posted just now. We'll click on the post, and now it's going to take Sam Becker will receive your public information and email address. Do you accept? Click OK, and then after they've accepted, it'll take them directly to the post. So that's an easy way of generating leads. It's one of the best features of this software. Now, once you've finished posting, the next step is to go and change the cover. Now, you can actually change your covers as you want within the software. You can select a page and then change the cover for that page. So, for example, if I wanted to change my personal profile picture and my timeline picture, I could go edit cover right now, and I can actually recreate a new timeline cover based on the examples that are given to me on this site. I could actually select one of them that I liked, and I could go ahead and edit the background image. I could edit the text here, and I could add, there's the background image add here, and I could edit this text, I can move it around and actually create a new timeline cover for myself. What I can also do through this system is I can make adjustments to ads. Now, right now we're doing some advertising campaigns for a few businesses, and one of the recent campaigns we've done for ourselves, I believe, is on traveling entrepreneurs. So you could actually go ahead, you could run an advertising campaign. It'll show all of your previous advertising images that you've created. So you can see here we've been doing some advertising here for a particular business, and you can click on Create New Ad. Now, this is connecting up to the API inside of Facebook. So it'll allow you to upload new ads, it'll allow you to add new ads, also see your current ads. You can do that through this system as well. So you could select one of these, you can go ahead, you can click edit. You can go ahead and edit these ads, and when you're ready, you can click save, you can click continue, and it's going to allow you to post this directly into your advertising campaigns in Facebook. And you can even go through and set budgets. You can set how much, who you want to target and whereabouts you want to target as well. You can basically do everything that you can do on Facebook, but through a much more simple interface. So it does everything that you would want it to. You can also advertise on Instagram, you can advertise on the Audience Network, Facebook as well. You can advertise on desktop, mobile, everything's available here, and you can even click on advanced targeting and bring up these advanced targeting settings. So this is like a much more easy to use version of Facebook ads that's within this OneSoci software, and this is really quite cool. You're going to find this really useful, especially when you're advertising as well. Now, if we go on to the next step, this is the custom tab step. Now, these custom tabs, these are going to give you the ability to create these tabs inside of Facebook. So you could name this Opt-in or something like that. Tab content URL. You may have content that's on a specific website, for example. So it would have to be an HTTPS website, and then you could go, backersboard.com or something like that. If you had a website there or a page there, and you could actually add your tab based on your website into Facebook. So you need a URL, it needs to be on an HTTPS domain, and they've got some training on how to do that, and you'll be able to then add your pages inside of your Facebook page tabs, right? You can actually create a custom tab. Now finally, the contests section here gives you the ability to create new contests. Now these contests can give you the ability to collect a opt-in within one click. They can give you the ability to run a quiz, and they can also get info that you might want to know about your subscribers. So I'm going to put the OneClick Optin in here right now. You can enter a caption, so enter this contest and win a 1-hour coaching session with Sam Becker. Headline can be the same. This is the title of the current contest. Then we could write some details about it. You can win today. All you need to do is opt in and download my new guide. We could put in a body text then. We could write about our contest, what people need to do in order to go through and actually subscribe. And then we can add a button here as well. So it could be get access, for example. We've then got our Facebook tab name. Okay, this creates a custom tab, and then we can have an expiry message. Thanks, this has now ended. We can then go ahead and select the date that it'll end, and a thank you message for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. We will email you when the winner is chosen. We can click create this and click confirm, and now it's going to give us the ability to go ahead and run this contest inside of a Facebook tab. It'll look really nice, it'll subscribe people to the contest, and you'll actually be able to see your subscribers inside of here, and you'll be able to pick a winner from there as well. Or you can select a random winner at the end of the contest here as well. So that's what the software does. There are some extras included in here, such as bonuses. Now many of those bonuses you can see down below. These bonuses are also included. There was too many to mention down below, so if you do see one that you like through this list, this is available within this system as well. Cool, so thanks for listening. It obviously has statistics down here as well. You can see analytics, you can see your campaigns as you scroll down, and you can do this for every single page that you choose. Alright, thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I hope this has been useful, and now you understand what OneSoci does, what it can do for your business, and why you might use this. The best place that I would see you using this is in your own business to manage all of your pages, or you can actually do this for a client and manage all of their pages as well. Go through each of these steps. Maybe don't use one or two of them that you don't need, but go through the ones that you do need. You can manage all of your posts through this system. You can adjust and create different ads, test different ads through the system as well really easily. And so if you want to get access, go down below, get the lowest price today, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll see you later.